Good morning everyone! Today is June 2, 2024. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Bayview Hotel to witness the graduation ceremony of Basic Nursing Management Care and Caregiving courses offered by PSP PPSA Persatuan Sukungan Pinoy. It's a Filipino community here in Penang, Malaysia, in cooperation with NCMA Training Skills and Development. As you can see, nandito tayo sa venue at napakaganda and excited po lahat na graduating students nila. No? Lahat po ito ay OFW at medyo may konting halo lang na foreigner. Okay? So tunghayan po natin mga kaibigan.
Starting off with our graduates for the caregiving class and course. This is the 6th batch of caregiving course. Graduates, give it your best and biggest smile, although some of you may not have your relatives, loved ones, and friends here. Just imagine they're here celebrating with you your achievement for today. You can see the beaming smiles of our graduates. Of course, no? Achievement na naman to, something to be added to your bucket of knowledge and skills. Our beautiful and handsome men for this afternoon. Congratulations, dear graduates. And then our basic nursing management graduates, 3rd batch. Congratulations, graduates. Smile your biggest smile. Today is a day of achievement. And before we start off, let us all give ourselves, all graduates, a round of applause for clapping back. Because today is indeed a day of celebration. All right. And we also welcome in, of course, our guests of honor, Madame Aline Yap and Madame Perdita Desani. Of course, your most favorite ladies in this room this afternoon. All right, let us, before anything else, everybody ready? All right, just a little bit of information. So as everybody knows, this is the time for graduations, diba? What do you understand about graduations? Tapos na. Tapos na ang pagod. But graduation actually says that it's a culmination of your academic journey. So it is a mark to an achievement, another achievement. However, some also call it commencement. What does commencement mean? It means it's the beginning of something new. So it doesn't end here. After today, you have to use whatever skills and knowledge that you garnered over the past weeks and months to start something. So we will start off with our national anthem to be followed. So remain standing for our national anthem and the national anthem of Malaysia before we have the rest of our activities. Please remain standing. I would like to call on Rolando J. Batiba Jr. to lead us for our opening prayer.
Lord, maraming salamat sa araw na to at kami natipon-tipon dito sa selebrasyon ng aming graduation. Lord, sana maging gabay ka sa aming mga natutunan sa lahat ng aming mga napag-aralan. Lord, alam namin na ikaw ang aming Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat ng bagay. Lord, bless mo ang bawat isa sa amin. At sana maging maayos ang aming graduation day. Sana maging masaya ang lahat. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Thank you, Mr. Rolando Batiba. So I think everybody can take a seat. Masaya ba ang lahat? Parang tahimik. Ayun, masaya naman. Slight lang ba? Ay, alam ko na, dahil maraming gutom pagod kasi may klase pa this morning. Alright. So although they don't really need much introduction, i-introduce pa rin natin ang ating mga special guests. And we have, of course, our very hardworking at kilala ng lahat, our PSA President, Madam Lolit Rangos. We also have our Vice President, Madam Giselle Halbert. And sa sinasabi ko naman, no, our favorite ladies for this afternoon, the ever beautiful, Madam Eileen Hadilla. She is the resource speaker, also chairman and president of NCMA. Nothing new to everybody. She's a beautiful face. You like seeing, but also you don't like seeing, lalo pa klase. And also our other resource speaker, also administrative officer for NCMA, Madam Perdita Desenia. All right. Now, lagi naman to na-shock si Madam, but it is time for your opening remarks. Let us give Madam Lolit a round of applause, please.
Magandang hapon sa lahat. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako mag-start. Okay, congratulations to the caregivers, 40 students, and Basic Nursing 19. Congratulations again at natapos nyo rin. Huwag kayong mag-stop hanggang dito lang ha, especially sa Basic Nursing. Doon sa caregiver, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang. Tuloy ang laban. Una, nagpapasalamat ako kasi of course, nandyan yung teamwork nyo. Pag sinabing ganito, okay kayo. Lagi kayong on the go, di ba? Kahit rat-rat lang ako ng rat-rat, on the go pa rin kayo. Di ba? So, napakalaking tulong yon sa amin, especially kay Ma'am Eileen, kasi napaka-teamwork nyo. So, itong batch na to, hindi masyado akong stress. Hindi masyadong maraming pasaway. Meron ng pasaway, pero hindi masyadong marami. So, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang. Kasi alam ko, magagamit nitong course na to, hindi man dito, hindi man sa Pilipinas, hindi man sa ibang bansa, basta sooner or later magagamit nyo rin yan. Kasi sa pagkaalam ko sa caregiver, minamadali niya ako sa certificate niya, alam ko kung sino yan. Kasi nga daw, hinahanap sa trabaho niya. Diba? So as I always said, na ang PPSA at saka NCMA, hindi kami nagpapatraining ng nagbabayad lang kayo sa amin at binibigyan namin kayo ng certificate. No. Talagang hindi kami nagbibigay ng ganyan kasi kami na PPSA at saka NCMA, make sure namin na natuto kami. Ay, natuto kayo, sorry. Alam namin na magaling na kayo, natuto na kayo. Pero gusto namin matuto pa kayo. Diba? So, kaya kung sabihin nyo, kung maarte naman to sa Ate Lolit kasi hindi nagbibigay na, hindi nagpapabili ng certificate. Yes, maarte ako. Kasi talagang hindi kami nagbebenta ng certificate. Kasi gusto namin talaga matuto kayo from A to Z. Kahit alam ko na, alam nyo na, natuto na kayo, gusto pa rin namin. Diba? PPSA and NCMA, tinitignan namin yung kapakanan nyo. Hindi lang kayo dito, kung halimbawa umalis kayo ng PPSA o NCMA, umalis kayo, kailangan din, gusto namin, pagdating nyo sa puntahan nyo, maganda nyo yung buhay nyo. Kaya, lagi namin minimake sure yan. So, huwag nyo sabihin na ako maarte ako, si Giselle maarte, hindi. Kasi para din yun, ito sa inyo. Hindi ito para sa amin. Kasi kung para sa amin ito, Diyos ko, bakit hindi kami napapatraining na binibigyan namin kayo ng 1,000 each of the students? Diba? Pwede naman kami magbigay ng pa-training na hindi kami nagpapabayad ng mababang tuition fees. Bakit? Alam nyo ba kung magkano binayad namin sa doctors? Alam nyo ba kung magkano binayad namin sa trainer? Hindi, diba? So, kasi kami, PPSA and NCMA, hindi namin kayo pinipirahan. Yun lang yun. Kasi may narinig ako na, mahal naman dito, mahal naman doon, no? Diba? At least, dito naman, saan pa kayo kukuha? Nagpapatraining sa caregiver, 300 lang yung bayad nyo. Diba? Tapos, free uniform pa. Free name tag pa. Tapos, free training center. Yung face-to-face kayo. Sinishare ko lang ito sa inyo kasi may of course mga feedbacks akong naririnig na ganito, ganyan. Of course, marites ako. Di ba? So, of course, kailangan kong i-share sa inyo. Kasi baka may gustong mga kaibigan kayo na gusto mag-aral, at least alam nyo paano sila sagutin. Kasi talaga naman, kung gustuhin lang namin, gusto namin kumita, gustong kumita ng PPSA, magpapa-training kami ng 1,000 ng tuition fees. Why not? Pero hindi namin ginawa yan kasi alam namin gaano kahirap maghanap ng pera. Ang gusto lang namin is maayos at mapaganda yung pupuntahan nyo. Alam ko naman na in demand ang certificate ng PPSA sa Pinang. Sa Pinang lang. Sa Pinang lang. Hindi na tayo abot ng KL or Johor o ano ba yan, di ba? So alam ko, kasi may students ako sa caregiver, isa din to, na madam, gusto ko mag-aral kasi hinanapan ako sa home center, nandun siya. Sa home center, tinatrabuhan ko, hindi na ako papasukin. So it means in demand siya. So kung mga kaibigan kayo na gusto mag-aral, gusto na mag-aral ng caregivers, basic nursing, baking and pastry, dressmaking, and baka may dagdag pa kami, hindi ko lang alam, sa mga mentors natin. Pwede nyo i-refer or recommend ang PPSA kung gusto nila. Hindi naman tayo namimilit kung gusto lang. So, that's all. Sa mga caregivers, tuloy-tuloy lang. Huwag niyong sabihin, hindi kayo tutuloy sa nursing kasi ganito, ganyan. Kung gusto niyo, tuloy kayo kasi sayang. Sa mga basic nursing, may mga ano pa rin kami, may pa-training pa rin kayo sa inyo. Stay tuned lang. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang. Hindi natapos dito yung pag-aaral nyo. That's all. Thank you. Enjoy the show. Enjoy the show.
May show mo ba? Hindi ako na-enjoy. Alright, thanks Madam Dolly. Dagdagan ko lang, no? Palakpakan natin ang lahat. Kasi hindi nyo dinagdagan ang kunot sa noo ni Madam Dolly. Kasi free din yun, walang bayad. Anyway, so just to reiterate yung sinasabi ni Madam Lolet. So you see, it's your 6th batch for caregiving, 3rd for basic nursing. So taas kamay ang first time na kumuha ng training course. 2nd time. Huwag kayo masya, yung hindi nagtaas ng kamay, lalapitan. 3rd time. 4th time. Alam ko may 5th time eh. 7 times. More than 5 times. Pero I've seen, ulitin natin kasi I see there's supposed to be 59 graduates here. I think only 10 raised their hands. Sino yung first course? Oh, I see about 15, 20. Sino yung pangalawang course na? Oh, madami. Probably half. 3rd. More than 3. Oh, may more than 3. Bakit kayo bumabalik? Kasi masaya. May natutunan? Yes. So, Madam Lloyd, I don't think you even have to worry. No? It just goes to prove may reason why people keep coming back. For 300, you're definitely getting and learning more than what you paid for. No? And you also gain new friends. People who you can interact with, get mentoring also. Nakakuha nyo rin yung lessons. Ano na experience nyo? Something I can learn from you. And also our resource speakers. So, sabi nga ni Madam Lolet, it's a lifelong journey of learning. Hindi natatapos dito. This graduation is only a start of something. So for those who have come back 3-4 times, obviously, masaya kayo at may natutunan kayo. Kasi lagi kayo bumabalik. We don't come back to things that we don't like. Tama? So, and hopefully, this is also my 3rd. So,
You also keep
na
coming
rin
back.
kayo sa akin, wala kayo magagawa. Kasi ako tinatawagan ni Madam Vice. And I'm actually happy to be here, see smiling faces every time na you get to do your processional for your graduation. So I congratulate all of you. Alright, enough of my ad-libs. So I will introduce to you again, and I would ask that you all give them a big round of applause. Again, to acknowledge our resource speaker, Chairman and President of NCMA, Madam Irene Halim Yap. Good afternoon, everyone. Have you taken your lunch? Okay, later we will have our tea break, okay? Alright, so first of all, in behalf of National Care Management Association, we would like to congratulate all the graduates this afternoon, the caregiving course and the basic nursing course. And also, I would like to thank the PPSA, PSP, Madam Lolit, and Ma'am Giselle, and all the admin of PPSA. We would like to thank you all for organizing this event. Without them, this graduation would be possible. So let's give them a round of big applause to PPSA, PSP. Thank you. And I'm so touched of what Ma'am Loli told you all just now. It's not the matter of the amount that you have paid for this course. Actually, the amount is just a small amount. I and Ma'am Loli and Ma'am Giselle always talk each other on how we want to pursue this training, because we don't want to take your money just for the take of money. Actually, we don't earn here, just for the clarification. Okay, we just take whatever we can help you all, whatever we can transfer all the knowledge that we acquired or we have learned. Okay, so it's not the amount of money, right? Walang money po dito. Hindi po kumikita ang PSA, hindi rin po kumikita ang MCMA. Actually, pag MCMA KL, mas mahal po ang bayad doon compared dito sa Penang. Kasi mas mahal natin ang Penang eh. Hindi, joke lang. Actually, kasi sa KL po kasi ini-include na namin yung mga OJT namin, okay? Yung mga pa-training namin sa iba't ibang home care. So medyo mataas ang bayad dun sa KL. Alright? So, actually,
last Sunday, we also had our graduation in MCMA. Our 16th batch, we had 115 students graduated. Okay, so every year, every SEM, nagkakaroon ng graduation, more than hundreds. Okay, not only we cater for the Filipino, to our kababayans who wish to learn something about basic nursing care management and so on. Okay, we also cater to other nationalities that is willing to learn, diba? So we don't, hindi natin nililimit yung mga yon sa mga kababayan lang natin. So extend our invitation to all the nationalities outside. Okay, na kung gusto nilang matuto, just come and learn, come and enroll to PPSA. Alright? Okay, so, I'm scared you all staring at me. Mukhang hungry na kayo lahat. Hungry little. Okay, actually, nowadays there are some posting, okay, they say, no need to take caregiving course, nothing. Okay? Yung sinasabi nila na wala namang maaano yan, hindi naman, wala namang job order dito yan. Yes, there's no job order yet, but it is better to have the knowledge, right? Kasi hindi nyo lang magagamit to sa pasyente nyo, kundi sa sarili nyo, di ba? Sa family members nyo. That's the most important thing, knowledge. Maka-acquire kayo ng knowledge. Just in case you can use this in future, at least hindi kayo susyunga-syunga. Diba? At least alam nyo kung paano nyo aalagaan yung mga pasyente. Because there are institutions in KL who really release some students to go to other countries like UK and so on. Okay? So we are also had some feedbacks from the agencies. This one not come from MCMA, ha? Chika-chika lang to. Okay? Okay? Nagreklamo ang agencies. Okay? Kasi yung pinaalis ng institution na to, hindi marunong. Okay? Pero ang pinaalis ng MCMA, PPSA, marunong. So, palakpakan po natin kayo! Okay? Pero totoo yan po. Hindi po ako nagbobola. Feedback po yan doon sa KL po. Okay? So, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat and I hope you continue your career and mabuhay po tayong lahat. Thank you.
So, we want to add on words of inspiration. For sure, they'd love to hear more from you.
Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon.
Kumusta nasa likod? Ay, gutom na sila. Say hi! Ayan, gising na sila. Na-enjoy ba ninyo yung last training natin today? Ayan, talagang nawala ang gutom nila. Alright. Thank you to our MC, beautiful MCs. And congratulations to our graduates. And to our President, Ma'am Lulit, Vice President, and all the team of our PPSA. Alright. So, unexpected. Alright. But additional lang po doon sa sinasabi nila. Gusto niyo po bang mag-abroad na hindi nag-aral, na bumili ng certificate, magtatrabaho ng walang alam? Of course. Lahat po tayo, nag-start tayo sa A to Z. Kahit nga tayo dumana sa kindergarten to colleges, kailangan pa rin natin mag-aral. Diba? Kasi yung pinag-aralan natin, maybe we forget na. Nakalimutan na po natin yon. Alright? So, kailangan po natin i-refresh. Ang edukasyon po ay walang expiration. How young, how old. Kailangan po natin pursue po kung talagang gusto natin matuto. Hindi po lang sa mga job orders na mayroon. Kaya po tayo nandito dahil gusto pa rin nating madagdagan ang ating kaalaman. No one can take from you all. Alright? Pwede ko bang kunin yung mga knowledge na mayroon kayo? Hindi. Ang mangyayari po niyan, we add on. Alright? Yung po mga tinuro yung mamailin sa inyo, idadag po natin sa kaalaman nyo ngayon. Kaya, why you are here now? Because of the learning. So, after po nito, pwede po ninyong i-continue. Mayroon po naman tayong nabanggit si Ma'am Lolit na we have additional courses po kung napag-aralan nyo ng mga caregivers. Mayroon po tayong offer ng baking po and dressmaking. Kung mayroon pa po tayong additional na mga courses, is your honor po na nandirito para bigyan kayo ng additional po. Alright, for the future po, magkaroon kayo ng sarili ng negosyo. Mostly po mga nakatapos dito, I think third batch po tayo from OWA, tapos dalawa po tayo dito sa PPSA. May mga negosyo na rin po sila. Alright, yung pong mga parang mga sideline nyo na lang po is additional na rin po. Okay, and congratulations po once again ulit. At mabuhay po tayong lahat. Mabuhay! Alright, thank you po.
Thank you, Madam Pearly. So, lahat, sabihin ko lang, lahat ng sinabi nila tama. Agree po ba tayong lahat? Yes! Hindi sumagot, hindi nakikinig. Alright, let's give Ms. Eileen a round of applause.
Reach out to him and whisper tender words of sovereignty. Oh, in time you'll see. Oh, love him, and then show him all the much I can be sure. Oh, it wants to. Thanks, Miss Eileen. Unprepared pa daw siya sa lagay na yun. Sa tingin niyo, unprepared. Thank you so much. Photo. Oh, dapat may remembrance. Ayan o. Gamit na po ba yung gloves na gamit? Hindi po. Nagtatanong ako. Alright. So, kumpleto na, no? Kanina may kumakanta. Ngayon, ano naman, dance. So, sa mga alaga nyo, kung meron man, kumpleto na, work.
Ano natin ang video yung ano? Hi! Oh, Eileen! Galing mo naman kumanta. Sana all.
Sorrow, sister naman.
Ano to?
Parang chicken pie fish po. Guys, tulay.
Uy! Uy!
Kuya, nagugutom na ako.
Go!
Takot-takot ako pagka...
Hindi napansin, akala ko naka-out of ano kayo. Akala ko nasa Akala ko nasa Thailand pa kayo.
kunti na lang yung laman ng plato.
Kuya James, kain! Ang takaw. Ang daming inayusan yan eh. Oo. Nagutom. Kuya, ipapost mo yan sa ano eh.
Sa YouTube.
Ano ba kuya? Paralang natin kuya. Panagtagan yung followers mo.
Anong vlog na? May ano kuya?
May... Hindi.
Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog!
Ano yan? James TV.
Hello guys! Just follow James TV because I'm collecting the money, Joe. Nahimik kami dito ah.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. Our life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute.
Parang ang saya-saya dito sa parang sa kabila, boring. Ay, may hugot.
You got me feeling loved. You know I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling loved. You know I hold us up.
Oh, alam mo sasabi mo, graduate ka na. Ano mo sasabi mo? Ha?
Happy!
Happy? Oh, ano pa?
Wala!
Ano te? Ano mo sabi oh?
Congratulations, graduate!
Congratulations.
Di ba kasi?
Masama.
Ikat mo yun kuya.